Everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to successfully send invoices to your customers on Shopify. This is an essential skill if you want to keep your billing process professional and organized. When we talk about invoices on Shopify, there are two main types. First, we have the default invoices that Shopify automatically sends out for all orders. And second, we have custom invoices for special or draft orders that you create manually. Let's start with the default invoices. Go to your Shopify settings and then click on notifications. Here, under customer notifications, you'll find the order invoice template. Shopify already sends this invoice automatically whenever someone places an order in your store. You can click edit to customize the email subject, message, or even adjust the branding. This is perfect for maintaining a consistent look and feel for all your order confirmations. Now, let's move on to custom invoices, which is useful if you have special orders or want to manually send an invoice for a specific customer. First, go to orders in your Shopify dashboard. Then select drafts and click create order at the top right. This allows you to select products for that specific order. For example, I'll add this oversized zipper in size small and set the quantity to 2. Next, review the payment options. You can set the payment to be due later, which is important for customers who need an invoice before paying. Then click Send Invoice. Here, you can enter the customer's email, add a subject, and even include a custom message. Once you click Review Invoices, you'll see a preview of exactly what the customer will receive. Finally, click Send Invoice, and it's delivered directly to their email. You can also select an existing customer from previous orders or create a new customer in Shopify. This flexibility makes it easy to manage invoices for both returning and new clients. Using these steps, you can handle all your invoicing needs efficiently, whether automated or manual. It's a small but crucial part of running a professional Shopify store. Happy selling!